This motorhome is the Silverdream S690 RS, and it is quite magnificent, and it deserves more than the 3 minutes I'm going to give to showing it to you right now. This will cost 187,000, and what this vehicle has got, which is particularly interesting, is this large rear lounge and with storage above it. And unlike most of these large rear lounge vehicles, a bed can actually be made from here, but I think this is really a vehicle for two with a fantastic viewing area out the back. Here we have the kitchen, which is quite large also. This vehicle is only 690 centimeters long, so a rear lounge vehicle at that size is very unusual. The bed is up here and will drop down, or indeed you could drive with the vehicle in the with the bed down or up as you chose. The cushion here is in the way, so I'll move this back up, and then it comes all the way down. I've got a large shower here, and here is the toilet, and you can close off the rest of the vehicle should you so desire. Where are the steps up? Well, they're here, and this is in locked position, so I turn this around like that, and then this is in unlocked position. And of course you've got storage in the steps as well. Storage here, and storage on the other side as well. Plenty of light coming in over up here, but when you're up in bed, you can of course open the window to get a bit of draft or light or whatever you want. Very nice drawers, proper drawers, and you can see the quality of the vehicle from here. Tower fridge, and let's have a quick look on the outside. Now, one of the problems of course with the rear lounge is the lack of space often in the garage, and this is the case here. It would be a bit difficult, I think, to get a bike in there due to the lack of height. The rear door, however, will open more thoroughly. That was done in under 3 minutes. Thanks very much for watching, and I've done a video with far more detail on this vehicle. All the best from Germany.